Okay, it is April 6th, 2021, on a beautiful, warm, sunny day. And today is going to be the very first startup of the Goodman, the 2011 Goodman air conditioner for cooling season 2021. It's a very nice day. Figured I'd take this opportunity to go ahead and start it up. I just actually got done cleaning out the bottom of it. This is all the dirt that was in it. It's kind of hard to see because there's a whole bunch of pine needles over here. But there's a lot of pine needles in it, and I cleaned it out as best as I could. As you can see, it is a lot cleaner than it was. It's hard to see, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was. So, it's still a bit dirty, but it's as clean as I got it. I took off the fan grill, and yeah, I was able to clean it. Probably should have rinsed it, but it really doesn't need to be rinsed because I did that last year. So anyways, go ahead and get ready to start it up now. Just data like always. So this thing's going to begin its cooling season. And here's the neighbor's unit. I don't think I'm going to clean this one out, because it's the neighbor's and it's really not mine to mess with. There's the broken Goodman logo. So, yeah, gonna start up the Goodman today. Freaking chair. So, every fall, I turn off the, I disconnect the disconnect box here so it doesn't get turned on accidentally. So, let's go ahead and turn that around. And power is on, so I'm going to go ahead and set up my GoPro, probably on the disconnect here, since I haven't done a startup on the disconnect of the Goodman yet. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start it up.
Yes, please. Actually, can you make that a large bag? I think they come in 2 sizes. One organic cucumber.
First startup, yay!
And here it is running. Sounded rough as always. So I'm gonna let it break in, get all the oils moving around. There's the GoPro, still on. Oh, the battery's low. Hold on a sec. Okay, I was just making sure I didn't have it in time-lapse mode. Okay, I thought I had it in time-lapse mode up this stuff. Never mind. So yeah, here it is. Up and running. It's gonna take a minute to get the oils flowing. And there, nothing yet. If anything, the liquid line's colder than the suction line. It does that for some reason. It sounds good. Yeah, this is the first startup since November, because I wanted to make it steam during November, but I didn't end up uploading the video because the steam show wasn't really that good, so. It's now running. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna keep out. How long I'm gonna keep it on for, but until it starts at least cooling. So yep. Goodman is working again. Goodman's working again, y'all. Oh yeah. Sounds pretty good now too. Might be getting a slight bit cold. Let's cook the air handler. And here's the air handler running. Pardon the mess, I didn't expect it to be this messy down here. Yep, liquids are flowing. It's not cold yet. It always takes a minute before it starts doing anything. Especially since it's slightly low on charge. Ever so slightly low. So, here it is running. Go ahead and take a look at one of the vents. You can hear it out there. Kitchen vent. It's cool. Here's cool. It's not that cold though. This also means once the end of like mid to late spring comes, when it starts actually starting to get warm every day, it also means we'll be able to start the Cool King soon. So yeah, Goodman's working again. It's actually kind of cold. Yeah. So, yeah, insulation's starting to come off. But yeah, here it is running again. I also pulled out this really old blackberry bush weed that's been in there for God knows how long. And I finally got it out of it. It used to be like in there. But yeah, I was able to get the fan grill off and take all that shit out of it. I ended up throwing some over here somewhere. Some old soil that's been sitting in it for a long time. And there's a neighbor's unit again. So yeah, it's a pretty nice day. Goodman works again. You can't believe it's already spring again. This year's been going by pretty fast already. Okay, now it's starting to get a bit cold. Yeah, now it's starting to get a bit colder than the liquid line. Data as always. So yeah. Alright, so it's been a few minutes later now. And here's the Goodman again. It is cooling though. It's been running. It's not really blowing warm yet. I mean, it sorta is, but not really. I think I'm ready to shut it down now. And the suction line is pretty cold now. So, yep. That's just the neighbors rolling the trash bins and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down now. So yeah. Alright, so there's the first startup of the Goodman air conditioner for 2021. And my GoPro stopped short, so you didn't get much of a fan spin down. My GoPro's been doing this stupid thing where it'll freeze sometimes when making videos, and it's just bullshit. So anyways, yep, thank you for watching and have a good day.